How to use PrimaryKeyRelatedField to update categories on a many-to-many relationship. The Django REST framework has a PrimaryKeyRelatedField which lists its on my many-to-many relationship with categories. I would like to override the create get a lot of posted ids. Traditionally DRF wants me to send URLs, on the categories field. JSON post. Serializer create. The issue I have is categories will be empty above, I assume because PrimaryKeyRelatedField is set to read _ only equals true, but this has to be true on according to DRF. My question is, how to use PrimaryKeyRelatedField with validated _data.pop to get a list of ids I submitted. I could use self.context.getRequest.data categories, but this is nasty and requires me to turn it into a list plus other stuff.
For anyone else having this issue, I found a solution that allows PrimaryKeyRelatedField to be read/writable. Just add query set. It will still filter on the correct relationship, which is a bit confusing.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.